In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Calendar with your Outlook calendar in 2025. This is a great way to keep all your events and schedules organized across both platforms, making it easier to manage your time. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to add your Google account to Outlook. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to open Outlook and you should see an option that says Add Account. Click on this and from the options provided, select Google. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Gmail credentials. Make sure you enter them properly to proceed smoothly. Once you're signed in, Outlook will request permission to access your mail, contacts, and calendar. It's crucial to allow these permissions to ensure everything syncs correctly. This will enable Outlook to pull in your calendar information from Google. Next, you need to verify that your Google account is indeed syncing with Outlook. If you follow the steps correctly up to this point, this should happen automatically, but it's a good idea to double check that everything's connected properly. A quick way to ensure your events are syncing is to test it by adding a new event to your Google Calendar and seeing if it reflects in Outlook after a few moments. Once the accounts are synced, viewing your Google Calendar in Outlook is straightforward. Simply click on the calendar icon, which is typically located on the left panel of the Outlook interface. You should see all your Google Calendar events displayed within Outlook. Thanks to the integration, any changes you make in Google Calendar will automatically reflect in Outlook, albeit in a one-way sync from Google to Outlook. This means that if you modify an event in Google, it updates in Outlook, but not vice versa. It's important to know that the sync is one-way by default, prioritizing Google Calendar to Outlook. If you notice that events are not appearing in Outlook, there are a couple of troubleshooting steps you can take. Firstly, try removing and re-adding your Google account to Outlook. This often resolves any sync issues. Additionally, check that Calendar is enabled under your Google account permissions when you're connecting it to Outlook. And there you have it. You now know how to sync your Google Calendar with your Outlook calendar, ensuring that you never miss an important meeting or event again. This setup allows for an efficient way to consolidate your schedules and streamline your time management across the two platforms. Thank you for tuning in, and happy scheduling!